Hey my friends, I hope you do this fine. Today we're gonna harvest some tomatoes. This is better boys. They don't completely red yet, but we can harvest it like this, and we take them inside the house and put them, or we put them outside on a piece of cardboard. Take them out in the daytime so they can get more sun and turn red. See, there's more right there. They don't red yet, but we're gonna harvest it. And there's more down there. This more small, they call root tomatoes. There's two more right there. And down here, there's cherry tomatoes. Not too many needed, but we're gonna harvest it. And here is two more celebrity tomatoes. One more celebrity tomato. And a few days ago, this one is very, very small. And look at it, but I'm not gonna harvest this one. I'm gonna leave a few more days so they can turn more big. And maybe harvest it next time. And down here, I don't know, you can see this cayenne pepper. Then we only have one or two small plants in here, but they got a lot of cayenne peppers. There's two bell pepper right there in the same pot. But look at this jalapenos. These jalapenos was small a few days ago. There's a reason I don't get it. And I leave it down here because they're too small to harvest them. Now they're big enough to harvest it. It's amazing how much jalapenos can grow anytime, because tomatoes, that was green, solid green, 2 or 3 days ago that I harvested. And this one is very small. That's what I leave down here. Banana peppers, they're still small. I'm gonna skip these ones today. So I'm gonna start harvesting before it start raining, because it's supposed to be raining. Stay tuned now. Show you. See, I got my bucket and my scissors up there. My bucket, empty bucket. So when I harvest it, I'll show you how much we're harvesting. Stay tuned. Then here we harvesting a little more okra. They ain't too big, but one thing I learned down here, these okra, I can't remember what kind of okra is this, but if you leave it down here, let it grow real big, they get real tough, and you don't be able to eat it. Maybe good for seeds, saving some seeds for next time. I mean for next spring. And look like we only have one zucchini this time. I don't see anymore. I see a bunch of blooms, but no zucchini. So we're gonna keep the zucchini. You can see this. A few more squash down here. We're gonna harvest a crookneck squash, then a few more cucumbers. Then we don't get any eggplants this time. We might be harvesting in the next 2-3 days. Stay tuned.
This is what Miguel harvested from our garden, container garden, raised bed gardens today. Isn't that wonderful?